Good morning. This is Nick Mosley. UTC ID is KHY111. This is final exam problem one. Little clerical notation here. Um, Previously, I had my predefined or pre-written, I should say, code input here, and I was just going over it. Since this is the final exam, I didn't see a clarification in the instructions. I'm just going to write out the code and go through it step by step. Just wanted to make a small notation, just in case you noticed, formatting and how I'm doing the video is differently this time. This is going to be problem one, the lace strings. I've already, input some testers here for this. And then, it's going to be the string problem here. So two strings, empty S1 and S2 seen here. And so essentially we just want to take these and lace them together successively, alternating elements of each string. So essentially, this A, B, C, D, and then E, F, G, H, I would be S1, S2, respectively. And we want it to be printing out as A, E, B, F, C, G, D, H, and then tack on the I there since there's an excess there. So yeah, essentially if they're equal, just successively like that, which is what this tester should hopefully be showing at the end of this video here. Um, and then kind of respectively, whichever one's the smaller one, the excess will just be tacked on to that. So this would be EA, FB, GC, HD, and then I tacked on at the end. And so that is what we're hoping to show here with our coding. And so without further ado, go ahead and get that squared away here. So what we want to do is the easiest first step here. We want to set an empty string to throw everything into at the end here. So we'll just call that end result here. So set up an empty string for that to get squared away here. To make sure, which one's smaller or if they're equal in length. We've got to see what the length of all of these strings are here. So we'll just do length of one equals the length of S1, and then length two equals the length of S2. So we'll be able to, check the length of that with those two variables, length one and length two, and be able to make it to where, they lace interchangeably here. So what we'll see, we'll see are these guys equal. So if length one is going to be equal in length two, what we're going to need to do is for each one in the range of length one, we want that end result to which I'm not sure if I verbalized this initially, but we want S1 to kind of be the preemptive one, to be the starter. So we're going to do S1 first, and then, we'll chalk in whatever we've got in S2 on the end. And then, oops, type there. And then, oh, so S2, no, that should be an I. So S2, so each one in, S1, S2, so yeah, respectively, you get it there, will be thrown in. So if that isn't the case, so if else here, we're gonna see which one is the short one. So redefine, or not redefine, but define this as the minimum between, so the smallest of the two, length one, length two, da, da, da. And then we'll take that and then we'll go and check. So for I in the range of whatever that short one is, what we want to do is take that end result still. So this is all, pretty much exactly the same as, well, yeah, it is pretty much exactly the same there, just depending on whichever one is the short one. So S1 and then plus 2. I want to keep throwing a 2 in there for whatever reason. And then so if 1 greater than length 2, fake that. Well, no longer empty string here. And then we're going to add on, excuse me, we're going to do that. This will, result, S1 plus 2. So yeah, this and then the next one. So, you know, else, nope, end results equal S2. And then, yeah, just opposite. So that should catch all the cases that we've got. And then, we want to return it. So we'll just ta-da, turn that end result. And so, all right, and the results. There we go. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Yeah, so we'll print out these 3 statements, then I'm gonna, do another one where one side's empty, the other one's not. Let's see what we've got here. Line 9, so for I in range. There we go. Da-da-da. All right, wonderful. Yeah, so we've got that A, E, B, F, C, G, D, H, I, perfect. And then, yeah, so cool. That's all EA. But yeah, as you can see, and then, yeah, we'll do empty set, see what that looks like. So EFG, and hopefully this will error for being empty. And then, yes, we've got this extra blank line here since these are 2 empty sets. And yeah, wonderful. So that is problem 1. Thank you so much.